What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, another POV drive, the Dodge Charger GT. But this time, it's a nighttime POV. Nighttime POV, y'all. Hope everyone had a wonderful day today. Just got off of work, you know what I'm saying? Grind don't stop. It's a little rainy today. It's rainy on this night POV. How's everyone's day today? Hope everyone's day was good. As I said, you know what I'm saying, just got off of work, you know what I'm saying, another long day. 12-hour shift again. Grind don't stop. Cause your boy don't like driving in the rain like that. If you was here before when we got the car, you know what I'm saying, thank you for being here. And if you're new watching the channel, hit that subscribe button. For 99% of y'all not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all join. Make sure y'all join up, join the family, join the journey. Because I know it's gonna be more than one journey. I might be in the Dodge Charger GT right now. Later on down the line, y'all might see me get into a Hemi or something new. But yeah, in the meantime, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the POV. guess it's a lot going on. Uh-oh. might have saw a little cut up through the city. You know what I'm saying? Something small, not too much. Dude, what are you doing? Bruh, there's no way. Yo, there's no way this dude is in a hurry. You're in an Impala, Brody. What you trying to do? Listen, there's cars in front of that Toyota, man. You're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. Dude, you're not going nowhere. Yo. Dude, you're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. Relax. You're not, don't do it, bruh. Yeah, I'm coming up on my street anyway. Okay, give you a little, hold up. Hopefully give you a little. It's something light, not too much. And I ain't even in sport mode. But you acting like a V8, baby. Yeah. She acting like a V8 right now. This ain't a V8, this is a V6, man. But you rolling like a V8, bro. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, we made it back home. I had to pause the recording for a minute, I had to back up in the driveway. But like, comment, subscribe for more videos. And until next time, stay up, be blessed.